What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on me, Memphis Grind TV. And today, man, I got a little trick for you. Well, I don't know what I'm trying to say here, but we got an upgrade coming for the vet. I already recorded my intro once, but for some reason the file got corrupted, so I got to record it again. So, man, without further ado, today we are installing, boom, HYPERTECH power chip for my 85 Corvette 350 TPI. It's just for time being. Before I do my LS swap on her, I'm gonna do all my suspension work and get everything like that out the way, and then I'll come back in with motor and transmission. But I am gonna go ahead and get the motor and transmission. I probably have it sitting right there on the engine stand, getting everything ready, getting the heads, cam, might even turbo it, just to be like Trail. You never know. Anyway, man, without further ado, I'm gonna show y'all everything I recorded already. I hope y'all like it, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Well, watch this video first before you take your ass to somewhere else. Alright, so I moved the car more center this way so I can actually get in on this side. I got the hood pop. I'm finna disconnect the battery. I'm turning those look ugly. The negatives right here. I'm finna unhook that. I'm gonna stick you guys down there, see if you can see the box. So I had to remove this little screw right. I can't see how many screws this is in here, but I see one right here. There's one right there. There's two so far that I can actually see. Let me get that light in there and see how many is actually in there, and I will let you guys know just in case somebody's doing this with me. Okay, y'all, I got it out. I got the computer out, as you see right here. To get that out, man, it's a size. Where's my flashlight? You got to use a 7mm to pull this cover plate off that was holding up right here. It was covering all this up. And when you pull it off, the easy way to pull this out, you see this right here was going to block you a little bit, but you lean it down this way, slide it out, like slide it to the right, and then drop on out. And this cover right here is what's holding the computer in place. And the computer sits in place right there. It's should be a size 10, but for some reason, I guess somebody already went in here. It was a 10 and a 8 to get mine out. So let's go ahead and pull this cover off. And yes, I know I'm laying some on the trunk of my Corvette, which is not good. But I'm trying to find somewhere to sit these bolts where I won't lose them. If anybody said bless you, thank you. Let's go. Fuck. Hold on. Look like somebody already had one in there. But I'm gonna go ahead and install mines anyway. I'm gonna pull it out. We're gonna check that out. Okay, so I searched for the other chip. I couldn't find no information on it, so I just left it out. So I'm gonna leave it right there. I got my chip in here, which I know works for this car. The chip might be to another. Somebody probably bought it secondhand, and hopefully it didn't do no damage. So I'm gonna before I even, tuck everything back in and everything, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna stick it in, plug it back up, hook that ground back up, and then hook the ground back up, and I'm gonna start it up and see what it does from there. So I'll be right back. All right, y'all, install's complete pretty much. Let's go ahead and start it up. Oh, drop the keys. gas. Okay guys, I don't know if I'm gonna upload that last clip I just installed. I might cut it up and chop it up, but it was just running like complete shit. And that's because I forgot the motherfucker was out of gas. So I'm gonna crank it up. I'm gonna rev it up like I just did in the last clip. And I'll show you guys that. So, man, with that being said, this video is done. That carbon is fucking with my eyes. I know this motherfucker went past the small test. Small test. I'm sick, sorry. I mispronounced that. But man, if you get in here, get dressed, get ready to go to work, make some money to show you guys some more upgrades I got for this. And that tapping you heard, it was coming from a lifter. And hopefully the next video you see dealing with the Corvette has something to do to help fix that. Let's have our fingers crossed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.